Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports. The Kingston and St. Andrew Table Tennis Association has secured a partnership with the world-renowned Houston International Table Tennis Association in the United States. The US-based organization will provide training for coaches and players from Jamaica at reduced cost to help further the development of the sport in Jamaica. Director of CASATA, Stephen Grant, says his organization could not pass up the chance of working together with the Houston-based organization.
And that opportunity came for us as the Kingston and St. Andrew Association to grasp at it. Because all sports has been revolutionized over time. And I was telling these people locally, we need to change, we need to have. You can remember, years ago I was telling them we needed a brand for ourselves here in Florida. I was told nothing wrong and all these things. But it was fortunate for us to meet with Manny and the opportunity for Jamaica and Jamaican young players to get that opportunity right there.
In cricket, Joel Andrew continued to impress as the West Indies under-19 team got their first win of the ICC under-19 World Cup with a comprehensive 5-wicket win against Scotland in Potchefstroom. Andrew hit 64 from 60 balls, which was inclusive of 8 boundaries. Andrew shared in a 95-run partnership with Nathan Edwards, who ended on 27 not out. Jamaican Jordan Johnson made 24. 5 Scottish bowlers took a wicket apiece. Earlier, Scotland posted 206 for 6 from their innings. Scotland got off to a strong start, posting 89 runs for the first wicket before the West Indies dismissed both openers Jamie Dung for 57 and Addy Hedge for 32. The Windies then removed Alec Price for 31. Isaiah Thorne was the chief destroyer against the Scotland batting lineup, claiming 4 for 46. Nathan Seeley bagged 2 for 38, while there was a wicket apiece for Raniko Smith and Nathan Edward. The Windies dropped Jamaicans Deshaun James and Stephen Wedderburn from the playing 11 that lost their opening game by 31 runs to South Africa last week. Carlos Alcaraz was knocked out of the Australian Open as Alexander Zverev held off a spirited comeback by the Spaniard to win an absorbing quarterfinal matchup. Germany's Zverev was rewarded for a rapid start to win 6-1, 6-3, 6-7, 6-4 against Spanish second seed Alcaraz. Zverev served for victory at 5-3 in the third set, but Alcaraz burst into life. However, the sixth seed made no mistake the second time around to set up a semifinal with Daniil Medvedev. Early on Wednesday, third seed Medvedev won 7-6, 2-6, 6-3, 5-7, 6-4 against Poland's ninth seed Hubert Hurkacz. The 27-year-old Russian is aiming for a second Grand Slam title after winning the 2021 US Open, while Zverev is searching for a first major triumph. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report, and also concludes our Midday News Package. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.